The tourist cutlery from Terra Incognita includes the base set, the fold set, and the folding spoon. These utensils are designed for use in outdoor conditions, such as at a picnic or on a hiking trip, and have a convenient format for this purpose. The base set consists of 3 utensils, a fork, spoon, and table knife. The shape of the utensils is classic, and the handles feature perforations to reduce weight. Another fold set also includes 3 utensils, a fork, spoon, and knife. However, they have a folding design, making this set slightly more compact. The utensils are assembled as follows. Shift the lock to insert the utensil, and when unfolding, shift the lock in the opposite direction to prevent the utensils from folding on their own. If you don't need the entire set, there is a separate spoon available. It is identical to the one in the fold set, but is sold separately. All sets, as well as the spoon, come with a carrying pouch for transport and storage, made of durable 600 denier polyester ripstop. All utensils are made of high-quality 18/8 stainless steel. You can see the weight of the sets, as well as the weight of each utensil separately, in the table. Links to each of the sets will be in the video description.